In this video, we are going to talk about useSyncExternalStore in React. So what I got going on here is a perfectly working, nothing wrong with it hook called useWindowSize. We use that in our component to keep track of any resizes. When I move things around, we can see those values updating. And what we're going to do is we're going to kill this. And for no real good reason other than to just mess around, we're going to use useSyncExternalStore to create the exact same hook. So use window size is the name of our function. Now we need two things here. One is a subscribe function, and the other is a getSnapshot function. Okay, so this one will automatically, without us needing to define it, get a callback argument. And what we need to do is say, what do we want to do with that? So window.add event listener on the resize event will hit our callback. Then we need to return like a disposal method. This is how it's going to clean everything up. So very simply, that'll be window remove event listener. All right, we are done with that guy. Now we got our getSnapshot. We're going to do this technically the wrong way. Window.inner height, and we'll precede that with inner width. Now that we've got those, we can just return use syncExternalStore and pass into it our subscribe method and our getSnapshot method. Now, I mentioned that we're kind of doing this the wrong way, and you're going to see right away we get this error. The result of getSnapshot should be cached to avoid infinite loops, and that's the problem we're having right here. We're returning it whether there's changes or not. So to clean that up, we're going to say let's see, we'll call it last snapshot equal, and I'm going to do a set here because they're easy to compare. So that one's going to start off at 0, 0. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to say current is, and we'll make this a new set. Then we just got to compare that to our last snapshot. So if current.difference with last snapshot has a size that is not equal to 0, which means it detected some differences, we'll say last snapshot is equal to current, and then we'll always just return last snapshot. Okay, so we'll load that up. Cool, no errors. And as we move around, everything is updating as we expected. So we got rid of this perfectly good, nothing wrong with it hook, just to try out useSyncExternalStore, and everything worked just fine. So there you go. That is how to use useSyncExternalStore.